Finding Inner Peace Amidst Chaos, The Truth of Life, and 3 Ancient Lessons from Modern Anxiety. The hula hoop rule that changes everything. Most of your anxiety comes from one simple mistake. You're trying to control things that aren't yours to control. Right now, imagine you're standing in a hula hoop. Everything inside, your thoughts, your words, your breath, that's yours. Everything outside, what people think, the news, the economy, the traffic, that's not. And here's the thing. We exhaust ourselves fighting the stuff outside the hoop while ignoring the power we actually have inside it. Today, I'm sharing the hula hoop rule and 2 other ancient lessons that will completely shift how you handle chaos. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to pour your energy, and it won't be where you've been wasting it. Truth number 1. Impermanence is your ally, the sky and the weather. The first ancient lesson is about anicca, or impermanence. We suffer because we try to freeze time. We want the good moments to last forever, and we fight tooth and nail to push the bad moments away. We treat our emotions and our situations as if they are solid concrete. But the truth of life is that everything is fluid. Your anxiety, your joy, this current crisis, this current victory, it is all temporary. Think of it this way. You are the sky. Your emotions and life events are just the weather. Practical exercise, be the sky. Here is a practice for you. Next time you feel overwhelmed, close your eyes. Visualize that emotion as a dark cloud passing through your chest. Don't fight it. Don't judge it. Just watch it drift. Remind yourself, I am the sky. This is just the weather. Truth number 2. Control is an illusion. Surfing the waves. This brings us to the second lesson, deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, surrender. Now, surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means stopping the war against reality. We exhaust ourselves trying to control things that are simply not up to us what other people think. Global events, the future economy. There is a powerful quote that says, "You cannot stop the waves, but you can learn to surf." Try this mental exercise today. When you feel that tightness in your chest, ask yourself, is this problem inside my hula hoop? Imagine you are standing in a hula hoop. Everything inside, your reactions, your words, your breath, is yours to control. Everything outside, other people's actions, the news, the traffic, is not. If it's outside the hoop, you have to let it go. Pour all your energy into how you surf, not the wave itself. Truth number 3. We are deeply interconnected. The thread that connects us. Finally, the third lesson, and perhaps the most important for our modern loneliness, anxiety loves to isolate us. It whispers that you are the only one struggling. It creates an us versus them mentality that makes the world feel hostile. But the spiritual truth is that separation is an illusion. We are all deeply interconnected. Every single person you meet is fighting a hard battle. That person cutting you off in traffic, they might be rushing to a hospital. That angry comment online, it might come from someone in deep pain. When we realize that our struggle is the human struggle, we stop feeling so defensive. We soften. There is a beautiful practice for this called metta, or loving kindness. When you feel annoyance or anger toward someone, pause, take a breath, and silently say to yourself, just like me, this person wishes to be happy. Just like me, they wish to be free from suffering. It sounds simple, but it is transformative. It turns judgment into compassion, and compassion is a direct path to inner peace. Conclusion, your anchor. The truth of life isn't that chaos disappears. It's that you become stronger than the chaos. By remembering that storms are temporary, by focusing only on what you can control, and by seeing yourself in others, you build an unshakable foundation. 1. Be the sky. Impermanence. 2. Learn to surf. Control. 3. Just like me. Connection. I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 truths do you need to focus on most this week? Is it letting go of control, or maybe being the sky? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found value in this, please like this video so it can reach others who need peace today. And for more on navigating your spiritual journey, be sure to subscribe and click the video shown here. Sending you love and light. See you in the next one.